Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Aqqa Aquarium Strong Magnetic Cleaner. This product was sent to me by Higer for review, but as always, everything I share is based on my real-world experience using it across my tanks. Let's start with what comes inside the box. First thing you see is the user's manual. Next, you get the 2 scraper heads, 1 plastic scraper, and 1 metal scraper. And of course, the main unit itself, the magnetic cleaner, which has the internal and external pieces. This magnetic cleaner has a strong magnet, so it grips really well even on thicker glass. It has double-sided cleaning, one side for the inside of the tank and the other for the outside. The handle design is comfortable and easy to hold, so you can clean longer without your hand getting tired. You can swap between the plastic scraper and the metal blade depending on the type of algae you're dealing with. I've been using this with my 2 saltwater tank and 20-gallon freshwater tank, and honestly the biggest thing I love is that I don't have to dip my hands inside the tank anymore. No more getting my arms wet, no more messing with corals or scaring the fish. I just glide it from the outside and it cleans super well. Nothing is perfect, so here's a small cons I noticed. If your glass has really thick coralline algae, you'll still need a little extra effort or a dedicated scraper. But overall, I really like this magnetic cleaner. It's affordable, it's easy to use, and most importantly, it works exactly as intended. For everyday algae maintenance, this has made my life way easier across all my tanks. If you're looking for a simple, effective magnetic cleaner that doesn't require you to get your hands wet, this one is definitely worth checking out. Link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.